it is here, on this very island, that I, sir, have found the very essence of the devil.
What do you mean?
I have seen the devil in my microscope, and I have chained him. And I suppose you could say, in a sense, metaphorically speaking, I've cut him to pieces.
Yeah. Professor, I saw you were quoted today in an investigative piece that the Sunday Times in the UK has done about the origins of COVID-19, and they were studying the Wuhan laboratories as, you know, potential for the centre of the outbreak. The piece puts the focus back on the closest genetic relative of COVID-19, a sample of a virus found in a cave called RATG13, and that was found by the Wuhan Institute of Virology researchers back in 2013, as the name suggests. Do you think that this virus may have been manipulated and become the virus that causes COVID-19?
So clearly that's the concern. We haven't found any virus in nature that matches COVID-19. As you mentioned, the closest relative is currently this bat virus, but there are differences between the bat virus and COVID-19, including that the spike in COVID-19 is most similar to a pangolin coronavirus that was found in March last year, again in China. And also there's several other elements that don't seem to fit with this being directly a descendant of the bat coronavirus. So either a whole lot of viruses have mixed in nature to get these new elements, or the other potential explanation is someone has put those elements directly into the original bat virus. And so at the moment we still can't say how that COVID-19 came about. Was it a natural event, or was it a, I guess, a scientific experiment gone wrong?
Look at these people! Look at him!
So I think both of those possibilities need to be considered and investigated, and that hasn't changed in the last few weeks since we last spoke.
Yeah, well, it might not have been gone wrong. They might have been intending to create it. What went wrong is potentially that it was leaked.
Through the looking glass here, people. White is black, and black is white.
But look, I want to ask you, when you spoke out, you really were one of the first scientists around the world to do a television interview saying this might be as a result of a lab leak. Have you felt, and do you think other scientists are also feeling political pressure not to pursue this line of inquiry, that the virus may have originated in a lab?
So certainly there's no direct pressure being exerted. Obviously, we came at it, I guess, accidentally. That was not the original, sort of aim of our research, to establish whether or not it came from nature or from a laboratory, but certainly our results did seem to suggest that it was an unusual virus for something that might have come from nature.